Hello and welcome to another episode of the Race to Go Racing.
Welcome back to another episode of Race to Go Racing.
I'm also Ben.
I'm also Ben. Hello. Hello. We've made a start on the body, as you can see here. It's on its side, on some foam. There's a lot to do. Started here. What's going on here, Ben?
A bit of cut and paste.
This isn't us.
Found some really bad welds, so we've sanded them back so we can try and
We're sanding them back so then we can even apply more welds, more bad welds. So this is a wing that's really quite thin. Obviously, none of us are welders. As for this hole, we've got the one cut out of this, which is here. And then this will go simply replace into there. This one's not perfect either, but once we can work on this outside the car, and then once we've got this all nice and done, then we'll weld it into this section here.
So, as you can see, the car is rotten through. We've shown a lot of this throughout, however now we've got a solution. So this is the floor, which we found out in a previous episode is 20mm too high. This is the two rear. This actual panel you can't buy anymore, we've searched everywhere, and it's absolutely knackered. So like I said, we're gonna make some for this. And this sill is shot. You will see later in the episode how bad it is. It really is appalling. So we have a solution for all of this, and we didn't know until the end of this episode.
So, today I'm going to finish tackling this. Ignore the dodgy welding. So I'm going to tackle this. I'm going to put this plate that Steve's made up in here. It's like this because there's an extra bracket. So I'm going to tack this and weld this up and hopefully finish this seam off. And then we'll box that off and it'll be done. What are you doing, Grant?
I'm going to tackle this sill and see what we're working with. Kind of take this off. Find a little bit more foam, where it's double skinned. Take that off, clean it up, so we kind of know where we're starting with, and then kind of build upon that. There's a plan.
And Steve, what are you doing?
I'm going to try and take out these spot welds and try and salvage this plate so we can use that in the other one, because it's in very poor condition.
Cool. So today's going to be a big day. We've got a lot of cutting, stripping, a little bit of welding to do. We're gonna pull it all to bits and just plow on with it. We've realised we've got so much work to do. This is a 1500 road engine, so we can set up other things on. This is a gearbox. We'll talk about what that's later. And this is a 1300 block, which will be the race engine, which will be going off for acid dipping. And then at some point, we will show you us building one of these. Probably not the race engine, but we'll show you building the road engine, and then we'll show you the race engine probably later next year when we build another one, because the first one will be a tester. So
Ben's going to blow it up.
Yeah, and I'll probably blow it up first time, but who cares? Right, it's just money. Right, the garage is a mess, so please excuse. We're going to crack on, and we'll try and record as much as possible, which you're very poor at. And I won't give it to Cairns, because his recording skills are rubbish.
Yeah, that's well, at least we put like plastic. Lovely.
Good suit.
So, after finding that, we went for a brew, and then, while on the internet, we found something.
What's going on?
Well, so we're repairing the Land Cruiser at the moment. Bit off topic. However, we're repairing it. Alternator belt's gone. Repairing it because we're going to go and pick up a shell. Well, go view a shell. Potentially pick it up. So then we don't have to repair ours straight away. Do ours at a later date.
Or not as much. Yeah, we'll see.
Because we're on a time restraint, it's going to be easier for us to repair, hopefully, for us to repair this shell as we go view. And that should save us a bit of time in the build, which obviously we're only 14 weeks away.
Substantial costs.
Yeah, quite a bit of money as well, so we will see.
Son. Where are we?
Somewhere in the middle of nowhere. We're going to pick up this shell. We've got the trailer on, I think. I hope it's still there. I can't see it actually.
Yeah, I hope it's still there.
Yeah, it's still there.
It's only taken an hour's, so many hours.
Yeah, so we were working on the car while no, and Steve found this link on eBay, and now we're going to pick up a new shell, another car. So just because we're under time restraints, I think the other car will turn into something else. You'll see over the next few.
Yeah, why have one when you can have two?
months.
And that's the plan.
Yeah.
So let's have a look and see what it's like. It's quite late at night, and we just got back. Drop the trailer off, and we have another specimen.
So apart from that, today, to finish off, I'm going to strip the rest of this suspension bit. So a lot of it's already stripped down, we're just going to strip it into its main components. And then it's all getting shot blasted tomorrow. So then we can paint it a nice black, and we'll get the chassis in here, which is stored at the moment. We'll get the chassis in here, we'll put that all together and make that a rolling chassis. And then we'll put the body on top when it's finished welding. So there we are, all the bits here are now stripped. So all these bits are now going to go to the shot blasters. Once they've been shot blasted, they'll get primered there, and then we'll put over the same black paint that we put on the this is the chassis. So it'll be the same black paint we put on the chassis, and then they'll look all nice. They've got brand new bushes, all orange bushes to go in, so that'll look all nice and new. And then we'll send the wheels off as well, and the wheels will get shot blasted, and we'll paint them as well. And then that'll be the rolling chassis done. Okay, so we've got the body back with Stephen. So this is the new body. We'll explain to you why we've got another body in the next episode, but this body may take a bit of time to fix, but we'll go into that. Also, new racking. It's pretty cool. 1500 engine, 1300 block. 1500 cylinder head. If you know, you know, where we're going to go very soon for that. But yeah, we'll see you now on the next episode of the Racing, where you can find out why we're using this shell and not this one. Until next time, ta-ra.
Welcome back to another episode of Race to Go Racing.